Alrighty, Jambox Breaks here. It is 10:46 p.m. Eastern Time on June the 10th. Robert here with a personal box of 2016 Panini Prestige Football. I have up for 125 guys on the site, www.jamboxbreaks.net. If you'd like to purchase one, it also includes all cards being shipped and take right from the middle. All cards being shipped and top loaders, etc. So, speaking of top loaders, let me grab some here. Alright, there you go, sir. Good luck, and thank you, sir. First one we're opening until that case is full. Almost there. 4 packs, man, jumbo, 40 cards per pack. And you'll get 4 autos, 1 vet, and 3 rookies. Plus a bunch of inserts, too. It's my first time opening it this year, so I'll go a little slow for you. See if there's any variations and stuff. Just mostly base until the middle, I believe. Watched a couple breaks of it. Alright. So we got a inside the numbers of DeAndre Hopkins. Drew Brees on Super Bowl Heroes. Nice. Connor Cook. I thought that was going to be the auto. Connor Cook, Passport. Ashawn Robinson. Austin Hooper. Looks like that one should be autographed. Blue Chip Recruits. Champ Bailey. Banner Season. Alright, we got a Andrew Luck. That is not numbered, but it is a foil. First auto, we got a Jordan Williams on the foil. Looks like he plays for the Saints. It's a rookie auto. That is number 14 of 25. Next up, we got a Martavius Bryant, extra points. That is also numbered to 50, 25 of 50. And I guess that foil is not numbered. Alright. Pack 2. It's like a pretty nice product this year. Bunch of PMs right now. Alright. Yeah, a lot of rookies in this too, man. Alright, we got Rashad Green. Nice. Rashad Green on the auto. Gold. Extra points gold. That is numbered to 43. 37 of 43. So that's going to be your vet auto. Not bad. Started off really well last year. Should have a good year this year. Alright, we got Devontae Booker on the foil. It's not numbered. Banner Season of Derek Carr on the gold. Not numbered. Corey Coleman Blue Chip. Joey Bosa. Passport of Cardell Jones. Vernon Hargraves. And draft picks. And All-Americans Robert Nagemski. However you say his name. The only number card in that one was the autograph. So let's say it's all base, and then they give you that. It gets right to the inserts. Alright, Kid Reporter. Alright, we got a Ryan Fitzpatrick on an NFL Shield insert. Ben Roethlisberger Super Bowl Heroes. Jonathan Williams on the Passport. Reggie Ragland on the NFL Draft. Nice. Derrick Henry. I thought that would be an auto. Blue Chip Records. Duke Johnson. Drew Brees, that is number /50. And Leonte Carroo, nice for the Dolphins. He's supposed to be good as well. Guys haven't played yet, but they'll be playing soon. All right, Robert, last pack. Good luck, man. Glad everything's team represented this time. It's nice. There are special on-card autos in this as well on the draft day autographs. All right, very nice. Derrick Henry, Tennessee Titans. There you go. One of the best running backs in the draft, man. Came from Bama. That one is not numbered. All right, Josh McCown, numbered to 100 on the foil, purple. Derrick Henry's very nice hit. Jerome Bettis gold, banner season. Eli Apple for the blue chip. Mackenzie Alexander. Kenneth Dixon. Miles Jack, draft picks. Kuechly on the clear. And then the kid reporter. All right, thanks, man. Not a bad box at all. Nice for Shaggy. Nice Derrick Henry. And Cruz supposed to be good too from Miami. Not really sure about Jordan Williams, but I know the other guys were good. Nice Martavius Bryant as well. And Drew Brees. Thank you, sir. Hope you liked the box. Again, I do have a breakup too. A couple more teams left. Thanks, man. And I'll see you soon with Tier 1. Appreciate it.